What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus here, coming to you all with a quick brand new update on my True Glory hair. If you guys remember from my other reviews, this hair was originally black, and I can officially say I dyed it. Yes, I did. Yes, so you guys, this hair has been processed and went through all kinds of everything, and I must say that I am happy with the results. I am happy with how the hair has been acting. I'm not looking at the camera because I'm recording on my phone, but I am happy with the results. And if you guys are thinking about dyeing your hair, try just be prepared for a long process. It's gonna take you about a good 4, maybe 5 hours or so. Well, if you do it the way I did it. But the hair is still good. The hair is still soft. The ends, people talk about how usually when they dye their hair, the ends be a little, rough. But no, you guys, this hair is good. Don't worry. What else did I want to say about this hair? Oh yeah, it still looks the same. It still looks the same. I've had this hair since January, and it is August the 10th, I think. Yeah, it's August the 10th, and I've had this hair since January, and this is my 3rd time wearing this hair, and I finally decided to dye it, and it's doing really, really well. One thing I would say when you dye this hair, I would say make sure you put oil on it afterwards, because I guess with color dries out hair, and so you need to make sure your hair looks lively. Lively. I don't even know if that was right, but yeah. So you need to put life in your hair, put like some bounce, all that good stuff. So yeah, just put some oil in your hair, and you should pretty much be good. But after you do the bleaching process, please make sure you wash it out with warm water, and make sure you shampoo and condition your hair, because trust me, it makes a difference. My hair feels so soft, and it looks good to me. I don't care about what other people think, but it looks good to me. So if you guys are interested in dyeing your True Glory bundles, I would say go for it. Your results should be good. It's safe to dye these bundles. They bounce right back. Like it's like me wearing my hair regular with the hair black, whatever. Let me just stop talking. But yeah, so if you guys want to know how I dyed this hair, then you all can comment down below. Maybe I'll do a tutorial, maybe not. I really don't know. My camera, it done shut down on me, so recording on my phone, so we'll just, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the hair as they would do. Let's not do that. I just totally hit my leg, and I can't edit this stuff out. But so yeah. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you don't, then it's fine. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. But hit me up if you have any questions, or yeah. So that's the end of this video. Toodles. Yeah, we're gonna stop this now.